with Edward.
Did it?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
I thought Edward just had the number 2. Don't you think?
Oh. Do you know what? This came with Thomas.
Did it? Oh, because that's where the rock went. The boulder, right?
I'm gonna play a trick on you.
Okay. What's the trick?
I made it into 2.
Ah, that's the trick?
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
Today, when I'm brushing my teeth, I want to make the Mickey Mouse and the 3 Mickey Mouses.
Oh, you think there are 3 Mickey Mouses?
Yes. Whenever you push something on the top, it shows the 3 or 2 or 1.
Oh. Ah.
Or
Do you know this song? What happened?
hey, that was Snow White.
Yeah. Oh, here it is.
I know this song.
Yeah.
I play a trick on you again.
Funny bunny.
I'm gonna play another trick on you.
Okay.